Chicken al pastor tacos are a delicious and flavorful dish that combines marinated. Here's a recipe to make chicken al pastor tacos at home. Ingredients. For the chicken marinade: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup pineapple juice. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons achiote paste. 1 tablespoon chipotle chili powder. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Salt and pepper to taste. For assembling: small corn tortillas. Pineapple slices, grilled or sautéed, optional. Chopped onion. Chopped fresh cilantro. Lime wedges. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, combine the pineapple juice, minced garlic, achiote paste, chipotle chili powder, cumin, oregano, smoked paprika, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. Mix well to form the marinade. 2. Add the sliced chicken thighs to the marinade, ensuring that each piece is well coated. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1–2 hours, preferably overnight for the best flavor. 3. Preheat your grill or stovetop grill pan over medium-high heat. If using an outdoor grill, you can also use a grill basket or skewers to prevent the chicken from falling through the grates. 4. Thread the marinated chicken slices onto skewers or place them directly on the grill. Cook the chicken for about 4–5 minutes on each side, or until it's cooked through and has a nice char. 5. While the chicken is cooking, you can also grill or sauté the pineapple slices until they develop some caramelized marks. 6. Warm the corn tortillas on the grill for about 20–30 seconds on each side until they're pliable and heated through. 7. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. Then, slice the chicken into smaller pieces. 8. To assemble the tacos, place some sliced chicken onto each warm tortilla. Top with grilled pineapple slices, chopped onion, and chopped cilantro. 9. Serve the chicken al pastor tacos with lime wedges on the side for squeezing over the tacos before eating. 10. Enjoy your homemade chicken al pastor tacos with your favorite side dishes and salsas. Feel free to adjust the spice levels and ingredients to your preference. This recipe brings the flavors of traditional al pastor to chicken, making for a delightful taco experience.